Hey everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. I have a quick video to keep it short, and I'm actually going to share with you a change I'm going to be doing to my country INKcentive starting in October. So I'm going to go over that, remind you about the end of the month of September and all that good stuff. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I'm super excited. Tomorrow is my virtual fall social. So I only have one errand to run, and then I have to come in the house and put bubble wrap around me. That's what my husband said. Because for my spring social the day before, I was helping a neighbor, I fell and broke my arm. So the next day was not pleasant. So Jeff's like, just stay in the house. But I do have an errand to run, so I'll just be very, very careful and then come back home. But I'm so glad that you're here. I will be watching the video premiere live with you in the chat room. So if you're watching that, then head on over there. That's where I'll be. If you're watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. All right, so let me turn my camera and we will get started. So close your eyes just for a minute. September's almost over. So through the end of September, I will be doing my goodies and mini masterpiece like I've been doing. And that means if you order 75 before tax and shipping, and I know this is repetitive, especially if you've been here before, but I want to explain everything. If you order 75 before tax and shipping, you want to use my host code, and you can find that on my blog. But you will earn either the peppermint, or you can pick the mini masterpiece. Now, if you order 150 in the month before tax and shipping, you earn both. Now, these little guys are so adorable, and they are hard to keep in stock. So depending on how many people choose these, you may or may not get them till towards the end of October. Because usually I send out, your thank you card, well, the first week or so of the following month. But like I said, I only have so many of these, and I need to get more, but I have to wait till they're back in stock. And if you don't let me know, then I just send you my choice. And if I don't have these, obviously you'll get the little mini masterpiece. And so this is the cute one for September, the little wheelbarrow. So that's not going to change. And then, but what's going to change is, so let's fast forward till October. So Stampin' Up's going to be making some changes down the road. I don't know what it is. And so I'm going to make changes. Plus, October is the new catalog year for us. It's not a new catalog, but it's the new year. So we start all over earning trips and our goals and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do starting October, I'm not going to do the goodies anymore, because I always do my country dozen rewards. So basically I'm rewarding you here, I'm rewarding you here or here, and postage is getting unreal. It is just crazy. So postage is costing me $4 to $5 to send, your goodies, where the mini masterpiece, I can put in your thank you card, and it goes for a regular postage stamp, maybe a little higher postage stamp depending on how intricate the thank you card is, but it's not $4 or $5. So I'm going to stop doing the goodies. Hold on a second, let me turn my phone. Jeff is hunting, so I kind of want to keep my phone just in case he hollers at me. All right, so I do apologize for that. But what I am going to do, I'm going to keep my rewards because I love offering these. And so what I did was I didn't change this. So it's still, whenever you order 50 before tax and shipping, you'll put like order number and the date and how much it was. You earn a sunflower. And then once you get a dozen sunflowers, what I did do was I upped this. So I changed it. So I added it, I made it be $40 instead. So I added this value. So this will start October the 1st, and you can get this on my blog. So when you print it out on my blog, it prints it like this. This is how I have it on my blog, which just kind of explains everything about how it works. So you know, I've done the goodies for so many years. All right, so hold on. Let me go like this, so I'm not just talking hands. So hopefully that's okay. And then this way I can do double reward points more, and you know, maybe I'll do that in October. I'm still gonna do the mini masterpiece because I love to sit and stamp and make stuff. That will never change. So it's fun to come up with these little things, and so that will be just fun. It's just the goodies that are going away. So so hopefully that's okay. But like I said, your country does reward points, and what I like about the reward points is you pick, right? Once you have submitted to me your flyer or your chart or whatever that is, some people just email me, right? And they'll say it was order number and the date, and it was this value. I have 12 sunflowers now. I want da 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 da, you know, up to $40. And so, but like I said, that can be anything. Years ago, I used to say stamp set, but then things have changed, so I just changed it to 40. So you might get snail adhesive, you might get envelopes, you know, whatever it is, and that's $40 catalog value. I will pay the postage and the tax on that. So to me, that is a better value than the goodies, kind of in my mind, because you're able to choose what you want. So if you have any questions at all, holler at me. I just wanted to pop in quick and go over that because that is a change. And then I'll still make a hostess code, and you know, and I love you to use it, but I'm not going to be so like, you know, please use it, because you know, I won't be using that to grab goodies anymore, right? I know you're in the habit of using those. If you ever want your own code, I have a lot of people, while we still have the codes, and then they get a code at the beginning of the month, and they order several times during the month, and by the end of the month, they have ordered 150 before tax and shipping, and then they're earning hostess benefits. So what they do is they email me their last order, and then I go in and I put it in, and they collect the rewards. Now that's just till, you know, till we don't have host codes anymore. All right, so I am going to stop blabbing. If you do have questions, because I know I just went, make sure you holler at me. Next week, I have a bunch of stuff to share with you. So I have this amazing, I'm going to show this. This is that card keeper box. Remember, I showed a little bit of it the other day, and it even makes cards. So for some reason, I just like, that went right over my head, that there was cards too. Well, of course there would be, right? You wouldn't just be making a box without anything. So, so anyways, I'm going to make that. It is gorgeous. And I'm trying to think of some other things I could use this box for, because it has the little, these things right here, right? That you can put on the folder, you know, the little folder things, so that you can put birthday cards, love and support, miscellaneous, seasonal. But I think I'm going to order an extra one of these boxes because it's beautiful. It's this beautiful blue, and it's kind of big. It's just gorgeous. But look how beautiful it is. But I think I'd like to order an extra one, and I would like to keep it, and I would make my own, because everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, but I have a label maker, so I can make, you know, my own labels. Even if you have a computer, right? You can print it out or whatever. But I was thinking I wouldn't mind one like maybe recipes. You know, even though everything's online, there's still certain recipes that I always go to, and I would just put my favorite ones in there, and that would just look very, very nice on my counter. But I was also thinking, I don't know how many little of the folders there are. Not for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 6. I'm not sure, but I might want to go like January, February, March. If there's 6, do half of the year, and then I would put in January. I would put all the birthday cards that I need in January, February, until I get them all ready to go, and then as the 7th month comes around, I haven't played with this yet. As the 7th month comes around, I would just, let me see how many there are. Here I am like blabbing. It's supposed to be quick. All right, hang on here. We have, and they're nice and heavy. Oh, there's a bunch. Oh no, it's thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, so 6. So what I was thinking of doing, so the 6, January, whatever, put all my birthday cards in there. But then once January is over, I would flip that. So see? So I would have January on one side, and then whatever the 6th month is, January, February, March, April, May, June. And then I would put June on the other side, and then I would flip it. So then, because when January is over, you don't really need that January taking up a spot. Then I would put it towards the back, and then I would have June, and then I would have my June birthday cards all ready to go, or at least a spot for them. And I would do the same thing. July would be on the back of February, and so forth. So I might have to order a couple. So I'm going to set this aside. And this is item 164377. Just in case I've given you some ideas and you don't want to wait till next week, because that gave me some ideas. All right, I also have, can you believe I didn't put my August paper pumpkin together? So I have that paper pumpkin, and I have a September paper pumpkin. So I have a bunch of stuff to share with you next week. So yeah, so I'm just going to go and order 2 or 3 more of those kits. Oh, because I love being organized, and I just know that's going to keep me organized. And I love how pretty it is. And it would make a great gift. So now I'm thinking, that also might make a great Christmas present. Stocking stuffer. Thinking. Okay, so again, if you have any questions for the 3rd or 4th time, however many times I've said it, please holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you next week. If you're doing my virtual fall social tomorrow, I can't wait to see you. And then next week, I will also share the projects that we did. So I need to make a note. Someone needs to remind me. I need a secretary. All right, so I am going to stop blabbing, and I will see you Monday. That'll be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel, and have a good weekend. And I think that's all. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.